No way. I got one. I got one. Is he still on? Please tell me he's still on. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. GoPro, don't overheat. What is going on, folks? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. As you can tell, we're fishing the lake today, and in my right hand I have a Spider-Man rod that I'm going to be trying to catch a fish on today. Now, I've gotten many requests to make a video like this, and I have a video similar to this, just not like the kitty rod challenge or like the little kid rod. So I'm going to be putting it up to the test, see if I can catch some fish on it. I kind of know the lures I'm going to use. It is super hot today, so I don't know how active the fish are. Either way, we're going to put it up to the test and see if we can catch some fish, grind it out. I got a few hours to fish. Let's see if we can make it happen. Let's get to it. All right, folks, so water has gone down a ton. I'm going to be fishing with this Spider-Man rod, kid rod. I honestly picked the best one. I love Spider-Man, but as you can tell, I haven't rigged it up. I just put line on it, and that was honestly a pain. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. It comes with a lure, but of course it doesn't come with a hook. I'm gonna tie on a jerk bait because I can't really use Texas rigs with this setup or anything like that because I can't set the hook. So mainly today I'm gonna be sticking with a jerk bait. It is pretty hot, so I don't know how surface these fish are, but I'm gonna give it a shot either way. Fish this island first. Gonna rig up and see if we can catch some fish. Let's get to it. I feel like every time I cast, it's gonna like fly into the water. I had a backlash, dealt with it for like 5 minutes. We're back in business. I doubt I got one. There's no way. No way. Do I have a fish on? Am I recording, first of all? Yes. I really hope I got that footage. I really do. I was like, am I recording? And it just stopped recording because my GoPro overheated. I thought I was snagged because I did get snagged. But look at this. First fish of the day on the kitty rod. Let's freaking go. Finally caught a fish on the jerk bait. I really thought I was snagged because it was just stuck there, but I did feel like something was pulling my line, and sure enough, we caught the first fish of the day. Absolute giant of a fish. Little smallmouth. Probably the smallest smallmouth I've ever caught on the Spider-Man rod. We made it happen, people. We made it freaking happen. I really hope I got the footage. My GoPro overheated, and it sucks like at the worst moment when I caught the fish. Such a tiny fish. Gonna go ahead and release him. Back in the water he goes. Let's freaking go. We completed the challenge. I'm gonna keep fishing with this kitty rod just because I didn't get the full video, but y'all could see me hooking into the fish. My GoPro literally stopped recording at the worst moment. I hope I got that footage. No way. I got one. Is he still on? Please tell me he's still on. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. GoPro, don't overheat. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my freaking gosh. All right, this one I got on camera. This one I got on full camera. You've got to be kidding me. I bet y'all thought it was a giant. Second fish of the day right there. Once again, an absolute stud. Bluegill, different species. I will take it though. I was saying oh my gosh because I couldn't believe that I even hooked into a bluegill with such a giant jerkbait. Insane. Let me know down in the comments if y'all have ever done that with the jerkbait. If y'all have ever caught a bluegill on a jerkbait. That is crazy though. I want to go ahead and release this fish back in the water. There he goes. Insane. That was just hilarious. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and switch over to Topwater on the Spider-Man rod. I already tied it on. I'm seeing a lot of fish bust, a lot of activity on the surface, so why not try it with the kitty rod? And this thing casts freaking far, so this is like way better. Oh, I got one. I got one. Let's freaking go on the Topwater bait. Spider-Man rod. Please tell me I'm recording. I am. Let's freaking go. Come on, buddy. Oh, it's a nice one. It's like a 2.5. No way. Flip them. No freaking way. No way. I just cast it right next to a branch and boom, annihilated it. All right, folks, I got all the hooks out. About a 2-pounder, not 2.5, about a 2-pounder. I will take them though. On the Spider-Man rod, insane. The adrenaline I get from topwater fishing, I love it. Gonna go ahead and release this fish back in the water. There he goes. Freaking insane. Let's go. I'm gonna keep fishing with topwater. It got a little windy, so the water kind of got a little choppier, but it's the end of the day. I'm gonna keep fishing with topwater, try and make it happen. See if I can land one more. Still got about an hour to fish, so gonna keep grinding. Gotta love it. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I did not think that was gonna happen. Oh my god, oh my god. Take it, take it, take it, take it, take it, take it. No. That was insane. Right in front of my yak. It wasn't a big bass, it was just like a small bass like this, but still, like, I saw him right in front of me, like, and then he saw me and just took off. But that was crazy. Got one, got one. In the branches though. Come on. Come on. Let's freaking go. Not a giant, barely hooked. I would take him though. Oh, what is that, a smallmouth? No, that's a largie. Let's freaking go. I knew if I could get between those branches, I'd land another fish. There we go, folks. 4th fish of the day. For some reason, I keep catching small fish. Might be the rod, who knows, but we landed one. I knew if I can get between those branches, I could land a fish, and we made it happen. Gonna keep fishing right here just a little more, maybe land one more, but this might be the last fish of the day. Gonna go ahead and release this fish. Back in the water he goes. All right, folks, that is going to effectively end today's video. We made it happen today. We caught 4 fish on the Spider-Man rod. I was surprised to even catch fish and to keep catching fish on this rod. To be honest, I was gonna only catch 1 fish and just start fishing with my regular rods, but I decided to grind it out, try and catch as many fish as I possibly could with this rod. The fish were surfaced up, topwater bite was on, jerkbait bite was on, and we made it happen. I missed a ton of fish, and I really think I could have caught more fish if I used my regular rods, but we still made it happen. We still caught fish. That was the whole point of this video. It was a challenge to try and catch fish with the Spider-Man rod, so it was kind of frustrating using it, but we landed fish. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. If y'all did, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if y'all haven't already, drop a comment down below for any future video ideas. With that being said, I'll catch y'all next time on JJ Fishes.